Okay, so if we do speed question, right? If you recognize any speed question that can involve, so just a heads up, there will be speed question that involve algebra. So the other day, Caden was asking me one of his school homework. There are speed questions that involve algebra. So no matter what, you will need an information column. So slowly we talk about the information column. So every question, I will show you the information column. So right now we are doing the speed conversion. So in the speed conversion, we also need some information like 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So this one you learn inside primary school, right? You got to reverse your thinking. You got to reverse it. If 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter, okay, then what about 1 meter? So think about the other way around. So 1 meter is 1 over 1,000 kilometer. Okay, so Lucas, that's why just now I wrote something like this for you. So that is under the information column. So whatever you learn in primary school, you must know how to reverse it. Okay, another information that you will need will be something like 1 hour is 60 minutes. Correct, that's what you learn in primary school, right? 1 hour is 60 minutes. So you must learn how to reverse it. So that means 1 hour, 1 minute will be 1 over 60 hour. So you must learn to reverse it. Okay, any conversion you need, you must learn how to reverse. So that's the generic idea. Okay, and then right, we also learn about 1 minute is 60 seconds. Correct, not 1 minute is 60 seconds. So whatever that we learned, you got to reverse it and start asking yourself. Then 1 second is 1 over 60 minutes. Okay, so this is the information column that you will need in the conversion. Okay, is there other units, right? Maybe there are some other units. Okay, so there are some other units. We'll just try to think about it. So that means 1 hour, think about 1 hour will be 60 times 60, 3,600 seconds. I don't think all this is like very difficult. It's just that all the conversion is in your head. So you need to get used to the reverse way. Okay, Lucas, that's why the reverse way is the one that I think you didn't realize. So if you think about 1 hour is 3,600 seconds, then 1 second is 1 over 3,600 hour. Think in the reverse manner. Okay, so these are the timing. So we are dealing with timing. So we also have 1 meter, correct? Do you remember in primary school, your teacher also teach you 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So you must think the reverse way one more time. So the reverse way will be 1 centimeter is 1 over 100 meter. All these conversion will be necessary later on in area and perimeter. So in area and perimeter, you also have conversion between the like meter square and centimeter square. So this is the start for the speed need to convert. Okay, so I'm going to show you the idea first of conversion that I always do. So for example here, right, like if you look at part A, you will need to convert 90 kilometers per hour. So what is the meaning of 90 kilometers per hour? So you might want to think first. If you think primary school, right, it is 1 hour, 90 kilometers. If you think primary school, if you write it in primary school way, but we are not going to do it by the primary school way. So that means, right, it's actually 90 kilometers divide by 1 hour. 90 kilometer per hour is equivalent to 90 kilometer to divide by 1 hour. Okay, so need to convert right now. You look at the part, I need to convert to meter. I need to convert to seconds. You convert your 90 kilometer to meter by using this. So you multiply by 1000. Can you write units in every single line? Can you see I multiply by 1000? And this one, right, is this part here, 3600. So you convert the numerator to the units that you want. You convert the denominator to the units that you want. And you can get the answer already by punching calculator. You go and punch this on your calculator. You will get 25 meters per second. You change your numerator to the units that you want. You change your denominator to the units that you want. And then you punch calculator. That's why you will need the information column. And what is the significance of 25 meters per second? So when you get the answer for 25 per second, so what does it represent? That means, right, in primary school, it means that 1 second, you travel 25 meters. Okay, so I repeat, you convert the numerator to the desired units, the denominator to the desired units. So if you are the kind who are lazy to write units, you will get confused by yourself because you will not know that which units are you at. So Dylan, please make sure you write units. Tavandra, write units. Lucas also write units. Every steps in your conversion, you're going to be writing units, or else you will be lost. Somehow you'll be like, I don't know what am I doing already. Okay, so this is the basic idea for conversion first.